I think that the media project has been very has been helpful for them. I think that the key to the project has been their ability to go out and do some surveying in the community. The idea of the participatory research really enables them to take a question they have about a community issue or how they might do community work and begin the process of considering how they would find answers to their questions or identify issues. And in the case of the media project that we worked with them on, it was actually creating a survey which they completed and went out to the community to actually interview people in the community, including friends, neighbors, family, peers at school. And I think that was great because it gave them the experience of interviewing, asking questions, putting together a survey, and actually preparing themselves to ask interview questions. As a result of that, they identified a number of topics. These were students from both West Mesa, Rio Grande, as well as South Valley Academy. Out of the three schools, they identified over 100 issues in the community that they actually narrowed down to one topic that they chose to use as their media project. The next piece was also pretty intensive and pretty complicated and involved their actually looking at a storyline, creating a storyboard, writing a script based on their issue, their topic of concern that they wanted to create a media project with. And then they actually essentially directed and developed the whole piece, including creating a storyboard, looking at the music they were going to use, providing actors, directing whatever was going to happen, as far as development of a PSA, PSA with images, PSA with dramatic images, that kind of thing. And so they actually had the opportunity to pull together all the parts of a small production. And I think that was great, including writing, directing, bringing in the people, creating the set. Of course, we helped them with the technical pieces that involved, props and running the camera for them, but they actually helped us by directing how they wanted that all to work. And I think that took a certain amount of skill, a certain amount of time, certain amount of patience, and that was all just, I think, a great experience for each and every one of the students who participated in this project this year. The thing I liked most about it is their ability to begin the process, have the patience to stay with multiple meetings, and actually to work with the staff in a variety of different ways and complete their project. And for a lot of the students, it took about 3 months. So the ability to stay with it, to stick to it, to complete the project, and actually to enter it into the contest. Now, we had a number of students who began the project and weren't able to do it for all the reasons I just mentioned: lack of time, difficulty, getting the work done, picking the pieces, finding partners to help out. Excuse me. So I think it was a very positive experience for everyone involved. And for us, it was an opportunity to encourage them to think critically, to ask questions, to survey the community, to participate in outreach, to do all the things that are important in terms of learning, developing skills, picking up skills that they haven't had in the past, getting involved in different genres of the work related to creating a media project, the music, art, pulling together camera pieces, working with other actors, and writing the script, and actually some of them performing poetry, rap, and narrative. So I think it was just a great overall experience, and I'm really happy. And I think it's important because the next piece of this work is for them to go out and communicate their message to the community in a variety of venues, including conferences, programs with other young people, trainings, where they can actually talk about their motivation for the project and maybe encourage other young people to participate. So all in all, the media project that the South Valley Male Involvement Project became involved with the young people has been another success. This is our second year, and I think we want to continue to expand the opportunity for young people to be involved in this work.